What did your friend or random person do that accidentally made you ready to go? 1. Went to Ozfest with my buddy and his very attractive sister, and she didn't want to get separated from us. So she kept her finger in my belt loop or held my hand the whole day. Her brother was annoyed because he was trying to lose her all day. 2. This one girl started tickling me. When I started tickling her back, she started to make noises and said she was sensitive there. Awkward, walked home. 3. We had a photography